What is an estate plan? Elements of an estate plan. Who should have an estate plan? Well, everyone should have a plan. Plan makes sense. A plan could be made with economics in mind, and you can have a less expensive plan, and then you can have all of the things that you might need, which would cost you some more money. You should have a plan. What does a plan do? Who can assist your family at the time of your passing? What does that mean? Well, is it going to be your spouse? Is it going to be an adult child? Is it going to be an adult sibling? Is it going to be someone in your family that the mindset and composure to be able to assist the family after you pass away? Let's speak to you directly. If you pass away, who are you relying on to be your executor, to be your trustee, to be the person within or without your family that's going to be able to set your affairs in? And so that's an executor or trustee. And you need to know where your money is going to go, where your things are going to go, where the stuff of your life is going to go. So it could be a treasured heirloom, or it could be a bank account. Could be something meaningful to you, a lucky charm or a collection or a favorite book or the vinyl records that you were saving. Maybe you want to give them to someone, a muscle car that you bought, memorabilia, whatever you have. If you want it to go to someone, you should specify it, because there's no natural person that it would go to. I wouldn't know to give the memorabilia collection to your nephew, Sam. So that's part of what we do with a plan. Will, trust, power of attorney, healthcare proxy, living will. Some of those are useful during life, like a healthcare proxy or a living will. Healthcare proxy or power of attorney, they die with the person. The living will is the document that concerns itself with end-of-life decisions. So also dies with the person. Then your plan can be as detailed as you want. So the biggest benefit of an estate plan is knowing that your wishes are going to be fulfilled. Who's going to take care of that for you? Where do the things that you find most important to you, where do they go? What is the estate in estate planning? You hear it, right? What are we planning for? We're planning for your estate. What is that? You'll hear the estate of real estate, estate planning. The estate is all of the things that you own, all of the items, real and personal, that you have. The stuff of your existence. That's an official legal word. Stuff. The things that you have. Real property, personal property, financial assets, cash, your belongings. My cup. It's actually, this is a great cup. It's a coffee cup. I guess you could put soup in it. I put coffee in it. My wife initially bought this. She left it at work and she wanted to get another one. She didn't realize that she left it at work. She wasn't sure. She thought it might have fallen out of her bag as she walked from work to her car. So she bought another one. And I am the beneficiary of that largesse. She bought this cup and I had to. It actually makes, it doesn't make the coffee hot. It prevents the coffee from getting cold. There's no engine in here, but it's really hot. Your estate, personal property. I showed you my cup. This table, the computer, the lights, file cabinets, books, pictures. You have to determine where they're going to go and how they're going to go. You could do this by a letter in estate planning. Your estate also consists of your digital footprint, emails, anything that you've written, cryptocurrency, thinking of digital things, intellectual property, poetry, songs, music, bank accounts, checking accounts, savings account, stocks, bonds, brokerage accounts, all financial, institutional things. I was going to say stuff again. Stuff is stuck in my head now. But all items and accounts that are within financial institutions, life insurance policies, annuities, retirement accounts, the home you reside in, that's real property. Property are the things that you would think of, things that I've just mentioned that you own: car, truck, boat, plane, helicopter, your bed, your couch, pictures on your walls, flatware, cutlery, stainless steel, Hummels, figurines, comic book collections, audiovisual equipment, your vinyl. That's personal property. Real property would be the house you own, the apartment building you own, the condominium you own, the co-op you own, the multifamily unit that you own, the skyscraper that you own. All of that is property. That's your estate. And in estate planning, you plan for how you give what you own during your life to your next of kin, to your friends, to your family, to your loved ones. What you have during your life and how it gets distributed. And you can do that by a number of different methods. And the estate plan is how we plan all of that. That was appropriate use at the end. If you need me, frankbrunolaw.com. Thank you, Frank.